So I got my friend Mr. Bones right here. Hey guys, Dr. Wong here with Next Level Physiotherapy. Today I'm going to teach you the top 5 hip exercises that you can do to get rid of knee pain. The first exercise we're going to do is lie on your stomach, digging your heels together to squeeze your butt cheek muscles. This is how you do it. You're going to lie on your stomach. You bring your knees shoulder width apart. And what you're going to do is you're going to bend the legs, put your heels together, and from here, push in the heels and squeeze your butt cheeks. You should feel the butt cheek muscles here activate. Hold that for 10 seconds and then relax. Squeeze, hold for 10 seconds and relax. This is sidestepping with a band around your ankles. What you're gonna do is put a band around the ankles, keep your knees nice and stiff. What you're gonna do is sidestep to the right for 10 steps and then sidestep to the left for 10 steps. 1 round trip per day. What you should feel when you're doing this exercise is your hip muscles. So you might be wondering, what does my hip have to do with my knee? Well, let me explain. So I got my friend right here, Mr. Bones. So your hip is right here, knee and ankle joint. Your knee is right smack between your ankle and your hips. So if your hip muscles and your hip joint is stiff or weak, guess what? Your knee joint has to take more pressure and work harder, which can increase pain. So when you loosen up the hip mobility and strengthen the hip muscles, there's less compensation in the knee and they will actually feel better. Next exercise is the clamshell hold. Basically what you're gonna do is lie on your side. You can stack both legs together, knees are bent, ankles are together, and what you're gonna do with this top knee right here is bring it towards the ceiling, high enough until you feel the side butt cheek muscle. You should not feel your thigh, your groin, you should not feel your hamstrings, you should not feel the outside of your knee. You should feel the muscles on the outside of the top hip. Once you do that, hold for 15 seconds for 4 rounds. If you're doing this properly, you should feel burning sensation in that spot and nowhere else. Rinse and repeat this on both sides. The third exercise is called glute bridge. Basically what you're gonna do is lie on your back with both knees bent. You're gonna press your heel and the arch of your foot into the floor. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift the butt up toward the ceiling without arching your low back. So you can push down, feel a slight stretch in the front of your hip. You should not feel anything above the belt line. So basically you're pinching your butt cheeks together. At the top of the motion, hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and then come down slowly. Perform that for 3 sets of 10. The next exercise is what I call donkey kick. Basically what you're gonna do is activate glute muscles or your butt muscles without arching your low back. This is how you do it. You're gonna get on all fours. I'm gonna show you my right hip. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna all fours, hands and knees are shoulder width apart. And essentially what you're gonna do with your right leg is you're gonna keep the knee bent and kick up towards ceiling. You should feel the right butt muscle. Hold for 3 seconds. Perform for 30 times per side. When you're doing this exercise, make sure you don't over kick up and arch the back.
That's the wrong way to do it.
With all these exercises, your knee pain should decrease because you're putting that pressure away from the knee and put it towards the hip joint and muscles. Now with all these exercises, it's gonna take time for your knee to start feeling better. Another joint that affects your knee pain is your ankles. For the top ankle exercises to get rid of your knee pain, click right here. Now that you know the top 5 hip exercises to get rid of your knee pain, comment below and let me know which of these exercises work best for you. Also, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on our weekly videos. As always, move better, age stronger, and I'll see you next time.